Days feeling longer, the nights seem dragged out. Tying yelling announcement should call me a boss. Got no wad in that pocket, but that wallet stay fat. Cause all these dime bags in the back made my pants sag. Spitting so hard, got a mouth full of iron. Running around you, but I'm never tired. Stay dreaming like I'm a kid in math class. Y'all are firewalls, but I'm a bypass. Not too hard, but I'm never soft. I'm kinda cool, but your lady thinks I'm hot. All these other people can't stop their head from swelling like a tattletale. Yes, I am telling. It's got no climax and no exposition. No one ever lives a life they see on the television. Trying to be unique and not just like every other tight knit with my friends. So I called them my brothers. Regrets in this conscious time, I let it pan out. 20 years from now, tell me how you had it planned, that you didn't, and now you regret all your life's work. Taking your money, they should call me a clerk. Replaying beats just to get the flow right. Shining but not visible, just like ultraviolet light. Justin. Nigga.